Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can assign a page ID to pages of your Lucidchart documents. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your diagram or a presentation or document on Lucidchart. Navigate to the given page of the document. At the bottom left corner you can assign a specific page ID to each of these pages. For example, to use them in the communication with your co-editors who have been given access to the document as well. What you need to do, guys, is make sure that none of the items on the canvas are selected, but that you left click and select the background, which means you will basically select also the page. After that, what you need to do is click into the context menu here in the top right corner, and that is going to enable the context menu of the selected element, which is in this case here the page because we clicked into the background. And at the bottom you will see the current page ID. If you'd like to copy it, click into this button to copy it to your clipboard. And as you can see, I assigned the number 1 to that page ID because that's page number 1, but you can also remove this and add a custom page ID and copy it to your clipboard and share it with your co-editors. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.